Right, I'm going to do a bike ride today. The weather is ridiculous, never happens here. Well, it's 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to go for a short bike ride, like about 15 miles or so. Let's see, there again. See, 99 degrees. Just one more for the 100. Here we go. There's a nice cool breeze going about. It's 99 degrees here today. Nice cool breeze though. Heading towards Palo Metro Station in Gateshead, and then on the cycle track towards Springwell. It should be about 13 miles I'm doing altogether. But in this heat, it'll be a lot tougher. I've got water. I've got water in my cooler bag, so it should be alright. That's gonna burn. Bit of shade doesn't hurt anyone. It actually looks just like once you're here. Oof. Nice even cooler breeze now. Ambulance in a hurry. It was nothing serious. Coming out the woods there, back in the sunshine, felt it there, like, felt the warmth. Oof, bugger. You know, I seen someone today wearing a coat. A coat! Unbelievable. Some people are just weirdos. Heading down towards Palo Metro Station now, just down this road, less than a mile away. Some car drivers haven't got the patience to wait and let you past. Like this through keeping front of us. Come on. Nice and steady, and this the weather's dropped to a freezing 97 now. Motorcycle park now. There's a metro station there. I'll just go up here, and I should go for about 3 miles, I think, the cycle track. We'll see. A bit out in the open now. Just come past you with Leisure Centre. Bit of a climb now. Wait, it's starting to go up now. I think this is the Cailman's Way cycle track. So takes it up towards the Banks, Springwell. I don't know. I've never been on this one before. So how it goes, but it's really hot. I think it's even warmer than before. I'm lost. I took the wrong turn. Yeah. I'm in Lane somewhere. But I don't know where the cycle track's gone. Divvy. where this leads us to, like. Definitely helped it off track. What a womble. Try up here, see where it takes us. See where it ends up. Yeah, I've got a mile off target. I haven't got a clue where I am. I should know where I am when I get top of this hill. Hopefully. But I gave up on that cycle track. Last 10 minutes all I've done is climb. So see where I am from here. Oh, I think I know where I am actually. Right, I know where I am now. Got a good bit of climb, I've got to go turn right up the bank, and I was miles off the cycle track, so I lost it. I'm not going to go look for it now. I can come back to it later. Over. Coming up towards Springwell Estate. It was on the way to Wrekin. I'm not going that far up, I don't think. Find the cycle track at the top where we're supposed to go off, and then go from there towards the banks if I can. What a divvy not being able to fire and stay on track. I was sad to go to Wrekin after all. Follow the road. Very windy up here, pretty high up. It's very windy, but it's warm air. Still very hot. I'm heading towards the banks now. Oh. I wish I could say that was lush wind, but it's not. It's warm. Take a detour, see where it takes us. I'm going on another cycle track again. Or the cycle track I was meant to be on. Doing well with my navigation today. That pub straight ahead is very nice. I've only been it once, but it was very nice. Andrea loves it. She's been a couple of times. Well, now behind this pub is a cycle track. That's where I'm heading. Which way do I go? Oh, gonna go right. See where it leads to. Probably another wrong turn. No doubt about it. Oh, don't you just hate this? Actually, man. Oh, boy. Carry the bike over. 25 kilo bike as well. Jesus Christ. Right, here we go. See where it leads to. Straight ahead. Can't go that way by the looks of it. So where's this taking me? I can see a wrong turn coming, or a big dip. To the right. I don't think it's much actually. Easy here, like. You know, 4 yards. Is that it? That wasn't much of a cycle track, like. Right. Just coming towards the ship in. There's another put behind, but I can't remember what it's called. Engine room, maybe? That wasn't much of a cycle track, that. It's alright though. Turn left here. Comes into another nice pub. It's called the Ship Inn. Been there a few times. Oh, I think some work that way. That means it could be closed. Looking closed to me. Irish shopping centre straight ahead. Turn left here. I'm on the way home now. Bit of a theory of the ride, like wrong turn and all that stuff. Cycle tracks. I lost it. Never mind, I'm used to it. I do it all the time. Wrong turns, all that stuff. It's all downhill from now on. Then go from here. Into the woods now. It's a bit overgrown, like. In Havana Woods, not far from your home. It's a bit overgrown, but still there is a path, so that should be alright. I have done this on the bike before, but it's not in this condition. It's getting a bit more open now, so it should be alright. But I'm gonna fall off that. I'm gonna fall off my bike, definitely I am. Some people will be like, what the speed demons going through here, but me, I'll just go slow. But I took a wrong turn. I'm pretty sure I'll do this. There's a lug right in front of us. There's a way out there, like, but I think I'm going to lift this lug over. Could go that way, like, but... Alright, yeah. Look, it's the tree. Whole tree's collapsed. Oh. Nice. Here we go. Oh. Just be careful here. I just nearly shit myself there. Someone beat me the horn. Was I left or a right turn there? No, I left at the wrong turn. Another tree down. Oh, I think I've been stung. Ow. And again. Ugh. Nettles. Oh, God. Open land. Open field. Almost. And I'll go out that way rather than going straight ahead. There you go. I'm a dumb right now. Very gonna end the video now. I've done probably about 10 miles in total. Just heading back now. Not really much excitement there. It's a video now. Yeah. 10 mile ride, 100-degree heat. Not bad at all. There you go, end the video. See ya. Right, the bike riding's done, it's all finished. About a drink of water. But now, to end the video, this is burning. To end the video, obviously you gotta do it at the start. What's that over there? Hot tub. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's dive in. Let's go. That was cold. Perfect. You diving as well? Hey? Oh, is it? You've already been in. So that's the end of the bike ride. Had to end the video in style. Something went now. So yeah, did 11 miles. 11 miles, 100 degrees. 99, so I'm just going to see 100 degrees heat and nice wind, but now this water is cold for this weather. So yeah, that's it.